What up, MCG family? This is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang. Today is an exciting day.
Calvin Richmond 6-lap GT-R Premium. But Calvin, very important, more importantly, rely on what I say and look where you're going. If the cones are too much for you, which it might happen, because you're gonna have to process a lot of things, the brake, the track, it's a lot of turn right away. It's a short track. Don't worry about the cones, just erase them.
Okay.
And I don't care. The lines are all different, and with this car they're far away from those. Okay? When I ask you to brake, remember, don't smash the brake, but go all the way down, lower, slow the car up, but be progressive on the weight transfer. That's what I say. The only way to go. Okay? Brake, start to turn, come off the brake and use the speed of the car to go through the corner. Accelerate only to come off the corner. The car is a twin turbo. When you get on the gas, it's a machine. So you want to make sure you almost, not almost straight, but close to be straight. You have no other choice. You like this, 4-wheel, you'll see, okay?
Yes.
Curbs, there is some curbs, you're not allowed to go on it. Get close to it, but don't drive on it, okay? It will obsess the car. It can be dangerous. If a car's coming from behind, I'll let you know. Come off the gas. I put the hazard on. We let the car goes by. We go back on track. And vice versa. If we catch up a car, we have to wait for the signal. Okay? Cool?
Yes.
So I don't want you to drive it in automatic, because the automatic, it's really more made for traffic. But no big deal. It will upshift by itself. So basically down the straightaway, you'll downshift once and that's it.
Okay.
Cool? Allez, enough talk, let's go. Push the brake. Manual. Voilà, you're in first gear, come out straight, make a right.
Pit lane. EXR tracks.
And you want to stop at the last orange cone. Do you need this down?
Yes.
Okay, me too. You're gonna stop. So before you really accelerate, make sure you get traction, okay? Go ahead. Second gear. Second gear. Allez, accelerate. The good news is there is nobody on track. Another car, that's it. Stay in third gear, okay? So here's the first turn. Off the brake, let it roll, turn right, turn left, and right away turn left. You see, cut the line and stay in the middle here. And here you want to brake, aiming at the green. That's the only one I want you to remember. Turn, 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 turn. Squeeze the gas pedal as you come off, okay? Stay in the center here. Off the gas, turn more. Squeeze the gas pedal all the way down. There is a Audi, but it's going fast. Stay on the line, good job. Don't brake here. Turn, voilà, good job. It's only you and me on the track, okay? Brake, early in, aim straight here. Good? Get on the gas. And brake. You see, you gotta brake harder. Off the brake, let it roll. Get on the gas, aim at the wall. Full throttle. Stay on the gas. It will upshift by itself. See? Voilà, brake harder. Downshift. No brake, let it roll, remember, try to carry speed. Get on the gas as you come off. Remember green cone? Aim for it. Off the brake, let it roll. Get on the gas as you come off. Voilà, that's a very good line. Just faster next lap and faster, okay? More. Now you get on the gas. Get on the gas. Good job. No brake here. You lift the gas pedal as you turn in. Brake, 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 brake hard. Early in. Get on the gas. Get on the gas. And brake hard. Off the brake, let it roll, remember? More. Get on the gas. Aim for the wall. Good? Yes. Stay on the gas. You good?
Yes.
Brake, downshift. Off the brake. You see, carry speed. Left. Get on the gas. Squeeze the gas pedal. And brake. No brake. Turn. Squeeze the gas pedal. Here we go. Voilà, you start to carry speed now. Off the gas. Get on the gas. If you make a decision, stay on that decision. You will have more control. Brake. Brake harder. Carried a little bit too much speed. Get on the gas. Brake hard. Stay high a little bit here. Don't stop the car. Squeeze the gas pedal. Full throttle. Full. Come on. Downshift. No brake, no gas, no brake. Squeeze the gas pedal. Voilà. That's we start. Voilà. Don't brake, don't stop the car. Remember? More, turn the steering wheel. Get on the gas. No gas. Get on the gas, come on. Good job. Lift the gas pedal, voilà, exactly. Brake hard, be careful. You're not gonna make it. Remember here, that's your weak point. Huh?
Yes.
You carry a little bit too much speed. Get on the gas, come on. Brake hard. Harder. Stay high, come off the brake, let it roll, remember? Turn the steering wheel. Squeeze the gas pedal. You like it?
Yes.
Brake hard. Harder, downshift. No brake.
I thought it down.
Get on the gas. Voilà, brake smoothly. Good job. No brake. Squeeze the gas pedal. Be careful, be careful. Get on the gas. Get on the gas, come on.
It's this one right here.
Now here you can get in, but brake hard. Early in. Voila, yes, get on the gas, straight. Get on the gas. Brake hard. Don't stop the car, let it roll. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Get on the gas, full throttle. My man right here. Good?
Oh my God. Yes.
Downshift. Off the brake. Turn left. Brakes. No brake, turn, Calvin, turn. Be careful. Voilà, squeeze the gas pedal. Yes, it's better here. No gas. Turn more the steering wheel. Get on the gas. I know, but you have no choice. It's better to be slow here and coming off fast from here, okay?
Yes.
Come on. And bad news, we're done. We have to come off.
All right.
You did good.
Oh my God, that was amazing for my first time.
Oh, you did good, huh?
Wow.
You got it. You really got. You kept. I'm proud of you because you really kept being smooth on the brake. That's something you do not apply, and that's so important.
Wow.
Because at 0 point, if you come with me and I'll show you what I mean by hard brake on the side, the car will just do. We'll do this. Ta-ta. And at 0 point, you did it. So you did a good job. I know it doesn't feel as fast as those other cars,
This was very fast.
but it's more hard to go how fast you went with this than to go faster with this. I'm being honest. You have to be perfect.
Man, I enjoyed this, like
Cool.
coming out of the curves, just making sure when you say downshift and letting the car roll through the curve, then give it gas. Oh my God.
But that's something you have to. You stop a little bit too much the car, but it's fine. It's your first time 6 laps. The goal is to really go fast on racetrack. You want to have the highest average speed everywhere. So you don't want to stop the car, but for this you have to try the limit. You have to feel the limit of the front. So you can brake a little bit later in the straightaway, but it's fine. You did good. But even on the street, remember that thing: brake, off the brake. Like let the car fly in. Let it coast at high speed, always, and then accelerate just to come off. Promise you, that's the only way to do it. Cool.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
How you feeling, birthday boy?
Happy birthday, Calvin.
Yes.
Man, whew, like the throttle, like the power that car puts down on the straightaway, but also learning the skills of when to get off the brake and letting the car take me into the curve.
Speak up,
Get
boo.
back on the accelerator and man, and flow it like woo, woo, woo. Now we about to go drifting, baby. Let's go.